Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. I was chatting on the phone last night to an old friend of mine who's recently moved down to the south coast of England. Her and her partner had a small flat in London. Then they had a young child and they decided they needed a bit more space, so they bought a little house on the south coast. I asked how it was going down there, if they'd gotten to know their neighbours, that kind of thing. And my friend told me that they've actually got an opera singer as a neighbour. And the problem is, every afternoon, their young daughter likes to have a little nap. She has a little sleep. But usually, at the time that their daughter's trying to nap, the opera singer next door is doing her vocal exercises. And that causes all kinds of problems with their daughter. As my friend said, don't get me wrong, she's got a lovely voice, but there's a time and a place, If you say that there's a time and a place, it's usually something you say when you mean that someone's behaviour, while it might be appropriate in certain contexts or at certain times, isn't appropriate in this particular instance. For example, my son, he sometimes burps at dinner in the house. If it's just the four of us at home eating and my son suddenly kind of goes burp, I tend to let it go because, it's not like I've never done it myself on occasion. However, sometimes we've been out for dinner, once with my in-laws, and he's burped at the dinner table in the restaurant, and I have to give him the evil eye and whisper loudly, "Gene, there's a time and a place." Basically meaning, that may be okay and acceptable at home, but this is not the time and this is not the place where you can do this kind of thing. In the same way, maybe if you're going to visit a temple or some other kind of religious building, it's probably best not to wear revealing clothes or a bikini or shorts and a t-shirt or things like that. It's not that those clothes are bad in themselves, it's just that there's a time and a place, Maybe in a family, you've got a family member who's having problems at the moment, and one of your kids starts getting annoyed about it and saying, well, yeah, okay, they've got problems, but they bring it on themselves. We need to really talk about why they're having these problems. Listen, you might say, there is a time and a place for a more thorough discussion of what's going on here. But right now, they need our unconditional support, okay? And maybe, somebody tells you there's a funeral or that someone close to them has just died and you feel a bit awkward. And, because of your awkwardness, you end up cracking a joke about something that falls flat. There's a time and a place, yeah? If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use "there's a time and a place."